The SCHURTER 5180 appliance inlet with line filter provides IP67 ingress protection for appliances in medical, food processing, air conditioning, industry, and other high disturbance level applications. The 5180 appliance inlet offers built-in IP67 protection for the housing and IP54 rated protection for the corded connection with the SCHURTER V-Lock cord retention system designed to prevent accidental power cable disconnect. The 5180 appliance inlet complies with IEC Protection Class 1 or 2 for 2 XMOP medical applications that involve direct patient contact and operate under high disturbance levels. The 5180 appliance inlet filter delivers high attenuation with a low leakage current for reduced EMI and improved reliability up to 15 amps at 250 volts AC with UL, VDE and CQC compliance. To learn more, visit schurter.com/5180